coming off the ground. Gear coming up.
3576 with Daytona departure, radar contact.
Gear up. Accelerate.
The F-16s the Thunderbirds demonstration team use for air shows can travel more than twice the speed of sound.
You just went supersonic.
They do aerial maneuvers, make high-speed turns, and fly in tight formations, sometimes with only a few feet between planes.
Thunderbird pilots say their whole goal is to be very safe. They had an accident at the last air show here at Patrick Air Force Base. After that, they reviewed procedures and changed how things were done.
Until the accident, 4 F-16s would roll down the runway in formation, take off simultaneously, and do a steep climb and turn at the same time. But in 1999, on the last day of the air show at Patrick Air Force Base, 2 of the Thunderbirds bumped wings. The air show was immediately canceled, and the Thunderbirds were shut down while the Air Force did a safety review. The Air Force removed 1 pilot from the team and had the rest do just over a month of retraining.
We reassigned the pilot, and we changed the maneuver a little bit. So in doing those 2 things, we rest assured that that would not happen again.
Now the climb isn't as steep and the turn is done somewhat after the climb.
The maneuver that they're doing now is not the same maneuver.
The Air Force says the people who come to watch air shows aren't in any danger. The stunts like this one, called a Cuban 8, are done over places where there aren't crowds or traffic immediately underneath. The crowds aren't the only ones with their eyes glued to the F-16s. An Air Force safety team watches each show carefully and reviews videotapes to tell pilots how to improve.
If somebody is making the consistent errors, we'll improve on that by continually practicing those maneuvers.
If there's even a question about one of the F-16s that will be in an air show, it's pulled from service. The pilot of this F-16 just declared an in-flight emergency. As he brought Thunderbird number 5 into Patrick Air Force Base Thursday, the pilot reported hydraulic problems.
Some air got in his B-system hydraulic line, and evidently it gave him some weird indications.
Number 5 lands safely. Fire trucks rush out to meet the plane just in case. There's another hydraulic system on board in perfect condition, but mechanics don't want to take any chances. Number 5 is pulled from service while the problem is fixed. So when airshow visitors fix their eyes on the skies, the Air Force can assure them they'll be safe. Over Patrick Air Force Base, David Waters, Central Florida News 13.